Okay, sorry about that, guys. The app I use to make these videos only allows for 15 minutes, so I didn't want to cut out in the middle of a problem. So only two more problems left. So let's identify the percent change as an increase or decrease. So 1/5, maybe it's easier to look as a decimal, is 0.2, whereas 1/4 is 0.25. All right, so we're going from 0.2 to 0.25, so this is an increase. Now let's do the bigger number minus the smaller number over the original number, 1/5, times 100. Again, I have a feeling it's going to be easier for you to look as a decimal, so I'll write as a decimal as well. 0.25 minus 0.2 over 0.2 times 100. Put that in your calculator, and we get 25%. Okay. You made it to the last problem. So, shelter A has a capacity of 300 beds and is 80% occupied. Shelter B is 45% occupied. The ratio of occupancy of shelter A to shelter B is 16 to 27. How many beds are in shelter B? Let's add a proportion to solve this. So it already gives us the ratio of 16 to 27, so that's easy. And let's just know that we want A to B. All right, we actually know how many beds are occupied in shelter A because we can say 80% of 300, and that's how many beds are occupied. 45% is occupied in B, but we don't know how many beds there are, so 0.45x. And then we can use our cross products. So let's first do 27 times this whole thing right here. So we're doing 27 times 0.80 times 300 equals, and 16 times 0.45x, which is 7.2x. So now let's put this in our calculator. 27 times 0.80 times 300 is 6,480. Just bring this down. To get x by itself, let's divide by 7.2. And we get 900 beds. All right, you made it through. Just review these problems, whatever ones you didn't understand, go back to and try again, and you'll be set for tomorrow's test. Good luck.